Welcome to FirstTax. Today we are going to see how to update child record from parent record. For example, if there is any change in account, um, based on that change, we can update the contact, appropriate contact. For example, if you want to update only the status equal to progress contact, you can update from that flow. For that, I'm going to use the process builder and flow. The process builder, we are going to pass ID, account ID into the flow. Then we can update based on that account ID the appropriate contact. For example, I choose a auto launch flow. So from the ID, from the process builder, I'm going to receive a ID, account ID. So that's why I'm going to pull contact wherever the account ID appearing in the contact. So I pull that get component. On the get component, so I'm going to check ID, account ID equal to the whatever the field we pass from process builder. So I create as variable. The another condition is contact status should be progress. Then I pull all record based on the filter. Especially I pull that account ID. Then I connect these two component. Then I pull that all of them in a multiple variable. Now from the multiple variable, I'm going to transfer to the single variable, which is then a loop. I'm going to check one by one. That's why I pull that loop variable, a loop component. I give a name for the single variable for the loop. Get contact, something like that. Type is record. You don't have to choose anything. So just choose the account, contact. Done. After that, I'm going to get assignment component, and I'm going to assign one by one contact. The next step is we have to pull the assignment, give a name for assignment. I already write all names in a notepad. I'm just copying and paste that, and instead of wasting time there, get a text variable to pull that contact ID. Choose text. Yeah, that's it. So I'm going to store one by one contacted. For example, if account having multiple contact, only few of them having a progress status. So in this case, probably if I get 3 or 4 progress, I'm going to get one by one from the loop. Then every time you get that ID, I'm going to update that particular contact. So next I pull that update record component. So update contact where contact status equal to open and progress. In this case, I'm going to pull that contact object. The condition is account ID equal to contact ID equal to the variable which we got that in assignment, contact ID. Yep. So update record contact status should be pause. So connect with that assignment and get back to a loop. The first time we get one contact and updating, and again it will go up to the end of that bucket. So I give a name for that flow. Basically, once I save this flow, I'm going to create one process builder. So from the part, for example, if any change, not any change, if I update that pass button from the account, this process builder will trigger by the time we will pass that record ID from the process builder to a flow. The flow will pick up, which we give a record ID variable in that get component. So from there the flow will run. So basically what we are doing, we are passing one account ID from the process builder. So I'm going to create one process builder. This process builder based on that account. So I choose an object as a account, update a contact details based on the account change. This scenario is a very useful scenario, similar like we can see in future roll up summary like roll up summary and other extra features. Similarly, what we can achieve in a trigger, we can achieve in a flow also. So when record created and edited, so the condition is a pass button. Whenever the pass button tick, we need to find the all contact with the contact. If the contact having a status equal to open or progress, straight away we are going to update as a pass. Pass all progress contact. Is it true? Yeah, this is a very important place. We are going to see how we're gonna update, how we're gonna pass record ID from the flow, from the process builder to flow. Call flow for updating contact. Yeah, give a just a valuable name to reference. So there are two flows. The first flow, yeah, which this is the one we created, how to update the child record. Here the record ID, this is coming from flow. So reference is account ID, which account you're updating, just pull that account ID. This account ID transfer to the record ID in the left side, and once you trigger that process builder, this ID transfer to flow which we created earlier. Activate this process builder. So after this, we are going to see a scenario like just a testing. I'm going to grab a account which having multiple contact. I already created for this testing purpose. The pass all progress contact is not selected at the moment. All related contacts, the status at the moment progress, close, rejected, and progress. So the first, second, and fifth one should update as a pass button. Pass. So I'm going to update the pass. So tick. Once I save this record, we will go and check that contact, they're updated or not. So you can see there all of them is pass, 1 and 2, the fifth one also pass. So yeah, this is the way we can update child record from parent using a process builder on the flow.